Hi guys, just 10 more minutes till noon when we ring in the new year. So it is time to make our celebratory hats. So I hope you have your hat pattern with you. You may have already started coloring. I've already started coloring mine. I used some markers and some crayons and some colored pencils. What are some other things that you might use to color yours? What do you have around the house that you're coloring yours with? If we had more time, we could have used paint. If you have paint, maybe you want to do yours with paint. It takes a little bit longer to dry with paint. And we're getting close to ringing in the new year at noon. So now that I've got my hat colored, I'm going to cut it out. Cut all the way around on the outside line. Now there's a part here, this is a little tab. Be sure to cut out on this outer line and don't cut the tab off. That's a fold line for a tab, and it's going to help you to bend and fold your hats. Trash can. All right, so I have my basic hat shape, and now this little part that I showed you, we're going to fold that on the inner line. And it creates a tab to help you when you're bending your hat. And we're going to bend it around and maneuver it until we have a hat. These two sides should line up, and the tab will help you hold it and stick it. And you could staple at this point, or you could tape it, take some of that leftover holiday wrapping tape and tape with some nice clear tape. Or if you wanted to duct tape it, you could have a very fancy New Year's hat that will stand up possibly to more than 1 year if you use duct tape. What else could you use to put your hat together? I'm going to reinforce mine. I'm going to put some tape inside on that tab to help it not to come apart. And I have a hat. There's a basic hat. But I still have a little bit of time. So let's get fancy. I'm going to put a ball on top. So I'm going to take my glue, and I find with these balls, if you put the glue right on the ball, that tends to help. And I'm going to stick a little bit of glue on the top of the hat here. And can you count to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There, I have a ball on it. And then let's stick some sparklies here. How about a sparkly leaf? But my hat would be complete and just fine with just the coloring and folding it around. Let's put one more sparkly. How about, yeah, I have a foam piece. And I'm going to attach it like the color. So I'm going to keep working away on my hats, and I will see you when the balloons drop. Keep counting down. There's like 3 minutes to go.